Hi, let's see how you start Excel. So if you are a beginner, you have never used Excel, that's fine. If you have basic idea of Excel, but if you want to understand how to start Excel and how to start working on it, l- I'm gonna show you some approaches how to start with Excel. So one thing is like if you use Excel a lot, you can pin it to your taskbar like the way I have done it. So that if I want to start Excel, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just click on it and it should open up something like this. So here it's gonna ask me if I want to start and open if I want to start a blank new workbook, or if I want to use a template, or if I want to use something which I've already opened recently. So for this instance, I'm gonna go with blank workbook. So I click on blank workbook and this is how the Excel file would look like. Now I'm gonna close this. All right. Now the second way of starting Excel would be going to your start button and finding Excel, or you can go if you're using Windows 10, then you can type Excel and the relevant application, the relevant version of Excel application would show up. So right now I'm using 2016. You might have 2010, 13, 7, or 19. It's fine. So you just click on open and there you go. You'll have your Excel launched. Again, the same window, and I choose blank workbook. But remember, these files are not saved. So that's the reason when I close it, I lose it. It doesn't ask you whether you want to save it or not. So another way of doing starting an Excel file would be to open it in a folder. I'm going to show you how we do that. So I'm going to cross this, and this is a folder that I am using and I want to have an Excel file here. So what I do is the best way I would recommend you is to right click the mouse, you get these options, go to new and choose Microsoft Excel worksheet. So this way you have not only created a file but you have also saved it. I'm gonna change the name, so maybe like something called sample, and I hit enter and that's it. So now I have the file saved. So if I want to open it, I would double click it and there you go. I'll have my sample file open. If not, if you want to do it the other way, like launching it from the taskbar or by writing Excel in Windows 10, you get to this screen, you go to blank workbook. All you have to do is, before doing anything, it's better you do this. You go to file and hit save as. Go to browse and choose a folder that you want and the file name that you want. So maybe I would say sample2. You have various options. By default, XLSX will be selected, Excel workbook, that's all fine. You just click save and you have your Excel file to start working. Never ever start working on Excel without saving. So what happens is, if for any reason you happen to close a file or close a laptop PC, you might lose your work. So always make sure that you have saved the file and only then you've started working on it. If you're using Office 365, also I think it's a good idea to always save the file and start working. All right, thank you.